What's going on, guys? I hope you guys are doing well. Today we are going to unbox and check out the specs of the Orient Mako 2. We got a lot of cover today. I think it's safe to say that my wife has better taste in watches than I do, and this was a gift that she gave me for my birthday a week ago. If you guys like these kind of videos, these unboxings, don't forget to like and subscribe. It shows me that you guys like these videos, and I'm gonna try to pump these out more. We got this logo inside the case. It's fairly elegant, contrasting the white plush. So we got mechanical watch, automatic and hand winding mechanism. We got the instruction booklet here. Hand winding pretty much just means giving power to the watch by winding the crown. It's the way that the watch gets its power as opposed to a battery. Spec information here. Case diameter 41.1 millimeters. Case thickness 13 millimeters. The glass of the watch is mineral. It's just a little bit of a step down from the sapphire. Case and band are stainless steel, and the water resistance 200 meters. Band length standard 215 millimeters. Just a tag here. Nothing fancy. The biggest takeaway from this watch would have to be the movement. So coming off of the information from Orient's website, and I quote, "It has transitioned away from the reliable 46943 automatic movement to the more robust caliber 46922 that is automatic, hand winding, and hacking." One thing to be said are the crown guards, where it's protruded that it really protects the crown from any accidents. We got a unidirectional 120 click bezel. To describe the bezel, these indentations on the 5s, 5, 15, 25, I think it was designed for easier rotation of the bezel, but personally I think it hardly does its purpose. So going to the back side of the watch, there's some information written on the back side, standard serial numbers and such, stainless steel, water resistance, those kind of information. So for my previous video, when I unboxed the Invicta Pro Diver 8932OV, I said that the Rolex Submariner style is not really my style, but since then I think the more that I wear the watch, I'm kind of changing my mind and attitude about it. When I got this watch from my wife, first thought was it looks pretty good. The biggest pluses are, number one, the automatic feature, and also the blue dial. Now let's talk about price. On the website orientwatchesusa.com, the MSRP is $340, but it's on sale for $165, excluding shipping and handling. So my wife bought it at Amazon.com. She approximately paid around $117 for either the black bezel or the blue bezel. The Amazon link is in the description below. One important detail is the lug height, 47 millimeters lug to lug. The hand winding feature is very easy to use. One thing I have to always remember is to avoid setting the day and the date around the horizontal numbers around 2, 3, 4. Keep it around 12 or 6 o'clock when I adjust the day or the date. So what's cool about this clasp for me is the double push button safety. It really gives a peace of mind that the watch is secure and it's not going to fall off your wrist. I really like the color of this blue. It's very elegant, it's not too shiny, but it also has like a matte finish. So I'm just taking off the plastic that's covering the links. Pointing this out to note myself that this is the direction where I gotta change the links. The last time I changed the links of my watch, I went to the other direction and gave me problems. So this is just an extra detail for the fanatics out there. The watch weighs 6 ounces or 17 grams. So another detail that could be important to a lot of people is the luminosity. What I did was I went to my bathroom. I just realized that it's dependent on my camera settings. Sure enough, when I adjusted my camera, you can definitely see the luminosity. So that's all the specs that I got and a little lume test for you guys. I'm just curious what you guys think about the Orient Mako 2. Is it better than the Orient Mako 1? Comment below. And finally, did you hit the like and subscribe button yet? It shows me that you guys like these kind of content. Thank you guys for watching. Appreciate your time. And I'll see you on the next unboxing.